Today we are going to unbox a miniature cycle in YouTube channel. This cycle I have bought it from Bangkok.com and it has come in a good installation package. Let us unbox the package and reveal the cycle in our channel. Oh my god, the box is damaged. Okay, it's fine. The cycle looks so nice. Let's open the box. Except the package, the cycle has come very well, and it has a pedaling action in the wheels and the moving stand, steering, the handbar and seat and all. The detailing of the other thing, detailing of the seat, handbar, water bottle, everything looks so nice and it is pretty, and it is 1:10 scale model miniature cycle, and it is pretty heavy but it's so good. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel, and